Clouds come in a variety of shapes and sizes. They are a sight to behold, and they can make any day better. Seeing a beautiful, fluffy cloud in the sky is always a joy. And it's a reminder that no matter what's going on in your life, there's always something beautiful to look at and be inspired from. Birds are one of the most amazing creatures on Earth. They can fly and soar through the sky, and their songs are beautiful and inspiring. Having a bird as a pet is a great way to experience nature up close, and to enjoy the beauty and inspiration of these amazing animals. Chocolate ice cream is a delicious and inspiring treat that can brighten anyone's day. It's creamy, chocolatey, and perfect for satisfying any sweet tooth. Chocolate ice cream is the perfect way to celebrate a special occasion or simply enjoy a tasty snack. When life gets tough, chocolate ice cream is always there to provide a little bit of comfort and inspiration.